inside number 89 at Coco Palm, Maldives. I'm just gonna do a quick room tour. So in we walk straight into the bedroom, but what I'll do first is the bits that nobody cares about. So there's our bags as we've just checked in. This is the wardrobe. That doesn't really matter, but you kind of get the gist of what a wardrobe's for. And then this is the vanity area with a desk. And in the drawers, you have the hairdryer and then laundry options. This is outside. This is the library section. So, books. Onto the coffee machine, water, and the mini bar. These ones are all chargeable, but these in the fridge are included. The soft drinks are included. Next, we will go into the bathroom. Just has your general toiletries, and that's your toilet. And this is the bath, which I believe is like a spa bath because it looks like it has jets. And then here is the view from the bath. With your loofah, and then here is the shower. Then into the bedroom. It's a nice double bed. It does say happy birthday, as it was my birthday when we arrived. Well, yesterday. And marhaba means welcome in the Tunisian native language. And that is just a personalised message. Over here, you have your towels. That's just where I kind of settled. And then we have some coconuts ready for drinking. Let me pick one up. There we go. So now we are going to the outdoor area. Let me just open the door. Now this is heaven. Look at that. And we are currently at 32 degrees, which is crazy. Straight into the sea, which I can't wait to do. And that is our plunge pool. Here is the coconut again that I'm going to give to Dom. And here is your straw. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this room tour, and if you want any more, like and subscribe.